have seen many people who mark yes or no or X mark to update the progress of their staff or any record. Are you using Google Sheet this way? Then I have a better way for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a better method where the looks and feel will be better, and also it can be used for multiple purposes. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the tutorial. First thing which you need to do is select all the required fields where you need to mark the progress. Then click on the insert button and then select the checkbox. Now you can see that all checkbox has been inserted, and if you select any of the checkboxes, effectively marks the completion of that action. Let's calculate the overall percentage of achievement, for which we use the formula is equal to count if, then open the parenthesis, select the cells where the checkboxes are, then after that put the comma and then type true to make the command true. Then now is you have the calculation of the overall actions. Then you have to find the percentage. For that you need to divide the number of columns, in this case is 4, and then enter. Now you get a number over here, then I will select it and it will be adds up. Now I need to convert this into percentage. For this I select it here, I make it as percentage, I adjust the fractions, and now you can see the percentage got changed whenever I click the button. Now I need to apply this into the remaining cell, for which I can double tap or just copy and paste it into the remaining cells. So I'm dragging here till the end of here. So if I select any of the cells, you can see the percentage get added up, and then the total percentage get calculated. So this is a better way to use the percentage calculation and the action progress of your staff. Please do consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and let me know your thoughts on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.